Alright, so here is the solution to the practice test. You can print it's under resources in the Web of Science, so you click on the resources and there's a bunch of resources in there, so make sure you check on that. I apologize for this going in and out of focus, but my camera is not working very well. Alright, so the first question says V of t calculates the value of a company in millions of dollars t years after 2010. So the input units are T years after 2010. Years after 2010. The output units are millions of dollars. Write a sentence that interprets the following algebraic statement. V of 3 equals 7.5. So 3 represents 3 years after 2010. So in 2013, the value of the company was $7.5 million, not $7.5. Question 2. Given f of x equals 12.6 minus 6x, evaluate f of 5. So we simply replace 5 in for x and then calculate it on our calculator, and we get negative 17.14. The next question says, evaluate the input when the output f of x is equal to 0. That means we're going to set f of x equal to 0 and solve the equation. Note, we are not going to plug x equals 0 in because the problem says f of x equals 0, not x equals 0. Question 3. A 3-hour session in a recording studio costs $650 and a 5-hour session costs $750. Find the average rate of change. So average rate of change says find the slope. There are 2 points, 3 650 and 5 750. Average rate of change is the slope. So we do use the slope. 750 minus 650 over 5 minus 3. So we get, and then we divide it and we get $50 an hour. Write a sentence to interpret this average rate of change. So the cost for an extra hour of recording time is $50. Or each additional hour is $50. Okay. Question number 4. In 2010, the value of a specific sculpture was $40,000. For the next 4 years, the value decreased each year by $375. Write a linear model for the value of this sculpture, where X represents the year after 2010. And Y represents the value in dollars. So we start off in 2010 and it's $40,000, and then it drops in value by 375 per year. So that's the rate of change or the slope. So I get 40,000 minus 375x. Notice it's negative because the value of the sculpture is dropping. If the value of the sculpture was increasing, it would be positive. That's the end of questions 1 through 4.